Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. I hope that you all are completing your work properly and you're studying properly at your home. So now we will start with another topic from this chapter, that is relations and functions, and now we will study relations. In order to understand relations, let us consider two sets P and Q. Let the elements in the set P be A, B, C, and the elements in the set Q be, there are five elements: Ali, Bhanu, Binoy, Chandra and Divya. So n of p, that is cardinal number. N represents the cardinal number, that is the number of elements in the given set. So number of elements in the set P is 3 and number of elements in the set Q is 5. Therefore we have studied earlier कि number of elements in the Cartesian product of both the sets P cross Q will be equals to 3 into 5, that is 50. Now we will write all the possible ordered pairs from the Cartesian product of P cross Q. How will we write it? A Ali, then A Bhanu, A Binoy, A Chandra, A Divya, and then another next B Ali, B Bhanu, B Divya, and so on. Similarly, C Ali, C Bhanu, C Binoy, C Chandra, and C Divya. So like this, we will have a total of 15 ordered pairs in the Cartesian product of P cross Q. Therefore, these 15 elements belong, these 15 ordered pair belong to the Cartesian product P cross Q. Now, we can take a subset of P cross Q named as relation R, in which we have R equals to ordered pair of XY. That is, this relation consists of all those ordered pairs for which X is the first letter of the name Y, where X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. The element belonging to P, we have termed it as X, and the elements belonging to Q, we have termed it in general as Y. Therefore, in relation R, we will talk about all those elements which are of this order pair X comma Y, in which X is the first letter of the name starting with Y. That is, A is the first letter for Ali, then B is the first letter for Bhanu and Binoy, and then we have C, which is the first letter for Chandra. That is, we will write relation R with those ordered pairs, that is A Ali, B Bhanu, B Binoy, C Chandra. So this relation R is a subset of P cross Q, Cartesian product P cross P and Q. It is a subset of the Cartesian product of P and Q. We have named it as R, in which we have taken all those ordered pairs for which the first set, this letter is the first letter of this name. That is A, here also B, capital B, C and capital C. So this is a relation. This is a subset of P cross Q, and this is the way we define a relation between two sets P and Q. Similarly, like here we have taken this property, we can take another property, and with its help we can define relation between any two sets. What is the definition of relations that we are studying? So proper definition is a relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Implies कि we have two sets A and B, and then we will have the Cartesian product, that is, we will write all the ordered pairs from these sets, and then relation will be a subset of this, satisfying some property. Here it is important to note that both the sets A and B are non-empty. That is, a relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B. That is, both the sets are non-empty. So R is a subset of A cross B. Now there are certain points in here. First is the set of all first elements of the ordered pair in a relation is called domain. That is, whenever we write an ordered pair, say X comma Y, the first element, this is first ordered pair, say x1 y1. Similarly, we can have x2 y2 and so on. So in these ordered pairs, the first element x1 x2 and so on, they are the terms which we whose collection we call as domain. Therefore, the first elements, the set of all first elements of ordered pair, that is x1, x2, and so on, will be called as domain. Then, second point is the set of all second elements of the ordered pair in a relation is called range. That is, here we have y2, y1, y2, and so on. So, ordered pair का जो second element, that is y1, y2, and so on, they are their set is known as range. And the third point is the whole set B is called codomain. That is, this whole set B is called codomain. There is a difference between range and codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. Sometimes range can be equal to codomain, but mostly in general we have range is a subset of codomain. This will be more clear to you when we will solve the questions from exercises. Next point is कि if say set A has number of elements equals to P and set B has number of elements equal to Q, then we know that A cross B will have P into Q. That is, we will multiply the number of terms in this set and this set. So n of A cross B will be equal to PQ. Now we are studying relations. So total number of relations possible will be 2 to the power of PQ. Now we will start solving the exercises. Exercise 2.2, first question. Let A equals to 1, 2, 3 until 14. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R equals to xy such that 3x minus y equals to 0, where x and y belong to the set A. We have to write its domain, codomain and range. The definitions we have studied here. Now we will solve the question on its basis. So it will be more clear to you ki, what is domain, range and codomain. We are given with a set A with elements 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. And the relation R is given. With, it has the ordered pair xy. Those pairs for which 3x minus y equals to 0. Where x and y both belong to the same set A. Now, what we will do, we will make these diagrams and we will make the set A. Since this relation is from A to A, therefore both the sets are A. Now, from here 3x minus y equals to 0. If we take x equals to 0, we do not have 0 here. If we take x equals to 1, then y will be equal to 3. See here, 3x minus y equals to 0, then 3x equals to y. Now we can take x as 1. When x will be 1, y will be 3. When x will be 2, y will be 6. When x is 3, y is 9. And when x is 4, y is 12. Now when we can take x as 5, but then y will come out to be 15, which is not in the set. So only these set of ordered pairs we have got. Therefore the relation R, it consists of all those ordered pairs 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. Now what is domain? Domain is the first element of the ordered pair. Therefore we have the domain as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what is codomain? The whole set, second set, is known as codomain. Therefore here this whole set A is the second set also, first and second both the sets. Therefore the codomain will be equal to the set A, that is all those elements. So codomain equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 14. Now what is range? Range is the second elements, the set of second elements in the ordered pair. Therefore range will have the elements 3, 6, 9 and 12. I hope that this is clear to you ki what is domain, codomain and range. Now question number 2 is that we have a set R, we have a relation R on the set of natural number, and R is defined as x comma y such that y equals to x plus 5, where x and y both are natural numbers, and we have given ki x is a natural number less than 4. So we have to write the relation R, and then we have to write the domain and range. Now, x is less than 4. That means we can take the values of x as 1, 2, 3. When x is 1, then y is x plus 5, that is 6. When x is 2, y is 7. When x is 3, y is 8. So now we can write the relation R as ordered pair 1, 6, 2, 7 and 3, 8. Domain is the first element of the set of these ordered pairs. So the domain will have element 1, 2 and 3. And range is the second set of second elements in the ordered pair. So range will have 6, 7 and 8. Now question number 3. We have given with the set A and a set B, and we have to write the relation R. We have given that relation should satisfy the property कि the difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to the first set and y belongs to the second set. Now we will see this. 1, 4. The difference is 3, which is odd. So 1, 4 will be the first pair. Second, 1, 6. Difference is 5, which is odd. 1, 9. Difference is 8, which is not odd. 8 is even number. Therefore, this will not be included in the relation. Similarly, we will check with the element 2. So 2, 4. Difference is 2. So we will not consider this. 2, 6. Difference is 4. We will not consider this. 2, 9. Difference is 7. And 7 is an odd number. So we will consider this in the relation. Similarly, we will write the rest of the elements. 3, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4 and 5, 6. Therefore, this is the relation R that we have defined. Now question number 4 is, before that, question number 3, we have made the diagram also. This is set A, this is the set B. So 1 has two images, 4 and 6. So 1, 4, 1, 6. Then 2 has only one image, 9. 3 has two images, 4 and 6. And then 5, 4, 5, 6. So this we have represented in the form of, in the pictorial form also. Now question number 4 is we have been given with these two sets P and Q, and the relationship between these sets is given. We have to write this relation in set builder form and rooster form. So first we will have R is equals to x comma y ordered pair such that y is equals to x minus 2. Y is equals to x minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5. The relation will be y equals to x minus 2, where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Now in rooster form we can write this 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Range will be 5, 6, 7. Sorry, domain will be 5, 6, 7, and range will be the second set of second elements, that is 3, 4 and 5. So I hope ki this concept is clear to you ki what is a domain, what is a range, and what is a codomain. So question number 5 is also similar to all these questions, so you will try to solve it on your own. Now I will explain you question number 6. Question number 6 is determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R is equals to x comma x plus 5, where x has these values. Now when x is 0, then x plus 5 will become 5. So like this we will write the different values of x plus 5. X is 0, then x plus 5 is 5. X is 1, then x plus 5 is 6, and so on. Now we can write the domain which is equal to these values and range which is equal to these values, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Question number 7 is ki R is a relation with x comma x cube where x is a prime number less than 10. We know that prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. Therefore we will have first ordered pair will be 2 comma 2 cube, 3 comma 3 cube, 5 comma 5 cube, and 7 comma 7 cube. We will write the value of these cubes. 2 cube is 8, this is 27, this is 125, and this is 343. This way. Now question number 8 is we have been given with a set A and a set B, and we have to find the number of relations from A to B. So abhi we have studied the formula. Here A has 3 elements and A equals to 3. Yani ki cardinality of A or number of elements in A is 3. Number of elements in B is 2. Therefore number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B will be 3 into 2, that is 6. Then number of relations possible we have studied, it is 2 to the power of this 2 to the power 6, which comes out to be 64. Now last question of this exercise, we have been given with the relation R equals to set of ordered pair AB such that AB belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. Clearly, if A and B are integer, we know that their difference is also going to be an integer. Like 4 or 5, you can take AB as 4, 5 or minus 4, 5 or 4 comma minus 5, or both of them can be negative like minus 4, minus 5. In all these cases, the difference is going to be an integer. Therefore, the domain is also integers and the range of this is also integer. That is, both are integers.